2010 was an insane year. I mean, we had some of the greatest video games come out, and that was pretty cool. Like Black Ops, BioShock 2, Just Cause 2, Fallout New Vegas, to name a few. It was also back when Need for Speed actually had a banger soundtrack. However, there is one game most people do not know of, and that is Techno, Kitten Adventures. Releasing all the way back on September 6, 2010, Techno, Kitten Adventures was an Xbox Live indie game and an iOS app game. The publishers of the game were Elite Goods and 21st Street Games. Meanwhile, the producers were Brian Ferrara and Melissa Facetta. Sorry if I butchered your name. The designer of the game was Brian Ferrara. The programmer was Nick Kincaid. The artist was Narek Gevorgian. The game was made using Microsoft's XNA, which was a free software that let people develop games for the Xbox 360. Now, besides all that, let's get into the gameplay. In the first level of the game, you played as a cat with a jetpack, making it fly around the side-scrolling PNG of mountains and the sun. Meanwhile, there are objects trying to fly at you that are trying to take you out. To be honest, I don't remember how this game played, so I'm just going off what the video shows. In these levels of the game, they would play some banger-ass music, so much better than every Need for Speed game to ever release. And that's the topic we're going to get on next. The music of this game. In the first level of the game, it would play Frisco Sea of Love, Hixie remix. Can I just say how much of a banger this song was? It was so good. On July 8th, 2012, 21st Street Games made a Kickstarter to create a game called Super Techno Kitten Adventures. There were 197 backers, and the pledge was $100,000. However, they only got $10,419. And on August 7th, the game was unfortunately not going to be made.